Guys, I'm gonna make a quick video here how to change out the inside cabin car air filter. Okay, so you've got to push this in, and this needs to go to the right, and then it just pops open. So you flex that, and then you also flex this side. Now I'm just gonna let this stuff all fall out. One thing I did do, guys, is I have a organizer. Okay, so that's for the dash, for the glove box, and this organizer, it's nice. It makes things a little bit more organized. I'm just gonna let it all fall out today, but hey, once I'm inside, what you do is over here on the left, you've got this little tab. Okay, so you're gonna move it to the right, and then you've got a tab here on this side. You're gonna push that to the left and pull towards you. So go left, pull towards you, and then it starts to loosen this up, and you can wiggle this out. Okay, so this is out, everything's out. All you do is just pull this out. All right.
Is there something else I can help with?
Oh, come on, Siri. And then you check it out. See how it looks? It looks like it's caught a lot of stuff, actually. Look at that. So it's got a lot of stuff in there. At the very least, you want to make sure you at least vacuum it out. But these are actually really easy to replace. Okay, so this is still the original. This is still the original filter that came with the vehicle, and it looks like that. Okay. Obviously, that's the clean side and that's the dirty side. I'm just going to vacuum it, but to put it back in, all you do is put the new filter in, and I'll put a link in for some filters. Make sure that the lines, make sure that this thing fits properly before you put it in. And then all you do is you just put it back in like that, and you're done. Okay, it'll snap back in place. And then all you do is you take this, push it up, good as new. Okay, but again, I got this little divider here. I'm going to show you. It just literally just kind of slides in like that, and it organizes the glove box. All right, guys, give it one of these.